Hi everyone, my name's Summer and I work here at the National Marine Aquarium in Plymouth. Now today we're going to do some crafts, and if you find yourself with an excess amount of toilet rolls, these crafts are for you. So next up, we are going to make a shark. Brilliant, so we've already made our little octopus and we've made a shark. Now, if you're feeling particularly fancy, you can also make yourself a funky little penguin with a little bow tie and the coolest little hairstyle. Now, if you find yourself with not 1, 2, or 3 toilet roll tubes, if you happen to have a couple more, you could go ahead and make yourself an eel. And you can make it as short or as long as you would like. Comment below and let us know what you'd like us to do next. Show us your creations as well and keep an eye on our social media channels for more videos like this coming up soon.